this is awesome. Just wanted to share this. Was when I got the acceptance letter, his working name is Einstein. So this is Einstein, and we've been calling him Big Ears for quite some time. So if you see him around, you call him Big Ears. Just don't call him Einstein. He may come to you, and I may wind up on the floor. So. But we're so excited, and wanted to share this next song because I was doing my devotions. Man, this was played about a year ago. We got the acceptance letter from Philip, and I was reading through the Psalms, and got to the 23rd Psalm, which it's kind of our theme chapter right now, and it's talking about the Lord is our shepherd. I shall not want, or I lack nothing, and just begin to ponder the chapter and. Was writing the chorus for what I was going through, that says, when the road that you're on is all uphill. So wrote the chorus, and so I was thinking about God being our shepherd that leads us. Emotional. Don't need it. And the dog coming, that's a shepherd as well. So I wrote the chorus for me because it's what I was battling, walking through as encouragement. And then heard a story about Staff Sergeant Michael Malarcy and his dog Exxon. And heard his powerful story and testimony. And so I wrote verse 1, just thinking about him. And then a friend of ours that was battling cancer wrote verse 2, thinking about her and what she was going through. So hopefully it's an encouragement to you. Definitely a visual this morning. So let's just enjoy it together.
His third tour in Afghanistan, when the bomb went off, threw him to the ground. He's still alive, but he can't see. He's still fighting for his liberty, but he can't see the medals that he's wearing. So the road you're on is all uphill. It's a daily fight against your will. Keep moving on. Don't give up hope. There's a single lighthouse on that shore. These troubled waters will one day come. These temporary trials will not defeat us, as the shepherd leads us. Don't give up hope. There's still a lighthouse on that shore. These troubled waters will one day come. These temporary trials will not defeat us. So when the road you're on is all uphill, the daily fight against your will, keep moving on. Don't give up hope. There's still a lighthouse on that shore. These troubled waters will one day calm. These temporary trials will not defeat us, as the shepherd leads us.
Let's say this together this morning. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me.
Amen.